you see these contents when it's being displayed? You have talked extensively about it. So what do you want to say about such content?
See, first of all, I want to bring out the legal provision. As per section 67, 67A and B of the IT Act, read with section 292, 293, 294 of the IPC, along with section 11 subclause 3 of the POSCO Act, this is an offence. So if this kind of content is being floated on X as well as on Netflix, it has to be banned, it has to be restricted so far as child is concerned and so far as the quality of this content is concerned. So we have come up with evidences that these kind of contents are there on social media and on OTT platforms, and we have requested the concerned ministry and the secretary of the concerned ministry to read our representation, to read our complaint and take appropriate action against the concerned OTT platforms in the way that these kind of contents must be banned, and there has to be a policy which has to be formulated by Government of India to see to it that in future these kind of contents are not floated on social media platforms.
So when you say ban, you mean to regulate these contents?
Definitely, yes. Yes, we are asking for ban of these contents. We are asking for ban of these obscene contents which are there on X, which are there on Netflix.
Do you think it's possible to regulate these, to separate, to regularize these contents?
Definitely it is possible if the government has the mindset, if the government has the approach to become a Vishwa Guru, then these kind of contents can be restricted. It can be restricted so far as the quality of these contents are concerned on the OTT platforms, and it has been done in the past. As I informed you that when we had come up with the complaint against Triple X Season 2 of Ekta Kapoor, it was taken down in the level 2 complaint so far as that episode is concerned. So there are many such contents which are floating on Facebook and other social media platforms and OTT platforms. We are doing our investigative exercise. Apart from that, we are asking for law of ethics code. But if the parliamentarians and the legislature thinks fit, it can be definitely it can be restricted.
You also spoke about sensitization of people towards such content. So are there any efforts that are being done on your end to sensitize people? And do you also think that by sensitizing, just banning is not an option?
And definitely, see, we are working on various aspects. We are working on awareness aspect. As my senior Mr. Uday Mahatkar informed, that we have conducted programs of felicitating people who are working in this arena in Gujarat. We have conducted programs of felicitating people who are working in this arena in Uttar Pradesh and across the country. Whoever is working for this cause, we are getting his support and we are supporting him. We are also asking the parents to create an awareness. As you know that in many schools and colleges, we are coming up with the program of good touch and bad touch. In the same manner, so far as these contents are concerned, which is one of the ingredients of offense against women, we are trying to educate the society, we are trying to bring awareness in the society, and apart from that, we have done the legal research, the investigative exercise, and on various levels, on awareness level, on so far as legislative aspect is concerned, on drafting a legislation, on actively moving the government, on actively moving the court, all these things we are doing together, and our endeavor is that these kind of content, so far as OTT platforms, social media platforms are concerned, it can be restricted.
Last question. Do you think, as you said, restriction is a different thing, banning is a different thing. So when you say ban, do you think it's a very regressive approach towards...
No, our first demand is that these kind of contents must be restricted so far as child are concerned. That is our first step. And the second step is, which is the larger aspect of law of ethics code. When we are discussing about law of ethics code, we are absolutely saying that we must sit with the concerned stakeholders. We must bring up with our law of ethics code, we'll sit with the concerned ministry. The other stakeholders will also sit. And as I told you that freedom of speech and expression should also not be violated, and the reasonable restriction also should not be violated. Both have to cohabit together. Both have to work hand in hand. So therefore, it's an approach which is a reasonable approach. And banning, we are saying in terms of the content, that these kind of obscene content which are there on various platforms must be restricted.
Thank you.